Oh, it's so good. Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, today we're going to make the best Play-Doh ever. Oh, what is that I hear? Boiling water. It's ready to go. So let's get started. You're going to start with flour, and I'm going to sort of cheat because I pre-measured 2 cups into my bowl, into my bag. So next, salt. Half a cup of salt.
Salt is in a lot of different kinds of doughs.
Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Okay, half a cup of salt. When you're measuring dry things, you want it to be level. Did you know that, Miss Kate?
I did know that.
Yeah. So then, cream of tartar. Okay, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. 1. Now I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to make a little hole in the middle so that it doesn't go all over the place. Oil, it's 2 tablespoons of oil. Any kind of oil. You could use olive oil, canola. What other kind of oils are there, Miss Kate? Safflower?
Sunflower oil.
Yeah, any of those.
Olive oil, did I
1.
say that already?
Sometimes we put like a little bit of a smell in it, like vanilla or like lemon. But you have to be careful if you're working with really little friends because then it smells good and they might want to eat it. Not the best snack food. Okay, now I'm going to measure 1.5 cups of water. But here's the part that's important. If you want your Play-Doh to have a color, which I'm going to use blue today, you want to put that in your water first. So give a little squirt of that there. That will stain your fingers, so be careful. Okay, here we go. I need 1.5 cups of boiling hot water. That's why this is a good partner project. So this is a liquid measuring cup, which is pretty fancy. Okay, now I'm going to pour it in.
Ooh, a pretty blue color.
It's like a science project. And then I'm going to stir it. I'm going to use this spoon. Oh yeah. All right, you're going to see it starts coming together. Okay, so I'm at my little spatula, this guy, to scrape it off. Now, this is kind of the fun part. I'm going to take it out of here. I'm going to scrape it all out. It's not completely mixed up. Oh, it's so good. Then, here's the really fun part. You're going to knead it. Oh,
and you could add flour to your surface.
If it's not, yeah, you should probably have added some flour to the surface. But it feels like I have a really good recipe. Okay, so check it out. I'm gonna knead it, and then you're gonna just know it feels really good. If it's sticky when you're doing this, you're just gonna sprinkle a little more flour in it. It's like the easiest, kind of not the messiest. It's safe, it's not toxic for your kids, big or small, and even grown-ups. Like, it's just really and truly the best Play-Doh ever. So,
and you can keep it for days if you put it into a container that is sealed, like a Tupperware container.
Oh yeah,
or if you have an
Tupperware's
old
good.
yogurt container,
Yes.
you put it in that, those kinds of things.
So there you have it, the best Play-Doh ever. Thanks for joining us.
See you next time.
Bye, friends.